Hello, hello. I'm Ashley Oswald, a functional medicine dietitian, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am here to help clarify confusing nutrition information because I just feel like there's a need for it. And with having 7 years of formal education in nutrition, having been in the field for over a decade, having actually helped people get rid of bothersome symptoms, I want to share the information I've learned so I can hopefully help you just feel better so that you can live your best life. So hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell next to the subscribe button, which will notify you when I post a new video. And also comment below, tell me where you're from, and also tell me what sorts of questions you might already have about nutrition, and I will just keep a running list as I make videos. So I'm so excited you are here. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon.